Choose budget countertop choices strategically so you spend on what matters and save where you can. Start by mapping your home by priority and allocate higher value materials to primary kitchens and wet areas while reserving economical options for secondary or low-use spaces. For secondary kitchens, laundry rooms, and guest bars, Laminate offers durable, water-resistant surfaces when you choose a continuous sheet edge and seal seams with a good quality waterproof adhesive. In eat-in areas where cutting boards are common, a properly finished and sealed Butcherblock gives warmth and can be sanded and resealed locally without replacing the whole countertop. For primary kitchens where stain resistance and low maintenance matter most, select Quartz only for those spaces and avoid extending it to secondary rooms to control cost. Consider prefabricated sink and countertop combinations for compact kitchens and mudrooms. These reduce installation time and plumbing complexity because the sink cut and mounting details are factory matched. Always measure carefully. Factor in waste and overage of at least 10% when ordering longer runs. And choose neutral edge profiles and standard depths to avoid custom charges. Common mistakes include overspending on expensive surfaces in every room, which increases return on investment problems. Instead, designate the primary kitchen for the premium material and keep secondary areas simple. Another issue is poor installation planning that creates visible seams or mismatched heights between adjacent counters. Mitigate this by creating a consistent countertop height plan before ordering and use experienced installers for transitions. A third frequent concern is selecting materials that are unsuitable for intended use, like porous woods in wet zones or cheap laminates in heavy prep areas. Pick materials based on actual use pattern and maintenance willingness, and remember, finishes can alter performance. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like countertop selection, so we can compare local pricing and options. Our community discussions let us share real-world experiences and photos, so we all make better choices together.